In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to unsend TikTok messages. Okay, just ensure that you have updated your TikTok app so that you don't have any challenge. So right here, once you're on your home feed, your TikTok feed like this, then proceed to where you have your inbox. You can see your inbox down here. So click on inbox. So once you click on inbox, you get to see all the messages you've sent in the past, like all the chat you've had with your people in the past. So open one of them which you wish to delete. So I'll open this first one right here. So you can see we have a message down here which says, can you actually deliver to Ibadan? So I want to unsend this message. Do you understand? So for you to do that, just go ahead and place your finger on it till you see all these options: reply, forward, copy, translate, delete for all. Can you see that? And we have also delete for me. So if you click on delete for all, it means the message will be deleted on your own end, and it will also be deleted at that person's end. Like, the message will be deleted at both sides. But if you click on delete for me, it means only your message will be deleted and that person will still see the message. So go ahead and click on delete for all. Once you click on that, then you can see it has been deleted. And that is basically how you go about on sending message on TikTok. So I believe you got value. If you did, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.